If there is one service that you should perform on every car that comes into your shop, it's tire inspection. Stick around. I'll show you why and how in a mighty minute. You know, it's our professional obligation as technicians to give every customer the full benefit of our experience and expertise, especially when it comes to things that will help keep them safe. And performing routine tire inspections is an integral part of doing just that. Raise the vehicle so that you can perform a thorough visual inspection. Using a tire crayon, make a reference mark on the tread of the tire. Rotate the tire one full revolution, looking for any signs of puncture or damage, including spots where the tire has worn completely away, exposing the tire's belts or cord ply material. Once you've verified that there's nothing sticking or poking out of the tire that's going to hurt you, take your hands and run them along the surface of the tread as you go around the tire, inspecting for any signs that may indicate an issue with mechanical problems, inflation pressures, or alignment. Continuing your visual inspection, check for signs of cracking or blisters, especially on the sidewalls. Minor cracks are not uncommon as the rubber ages, but any that allow you to see the inner cord material requires the tire to be replaced. Blisters or bulges on the sidewall are a result of damage to the tire's plies and also require immediate replacement. Now we'll move on to checking the tread wear and the tire's inflation pressure. Over or underinflated tires will deform the contact patch and reduce the contact area. It can also lead to higher heat loads in the tire, and that can lead to premature, even catastrophic, tire damage. The depth of the tread grooves provides a visual indication of the useful life left in the tire. It can also provide clues as to whether the vehicle may require an alignment, or perhaps suffering some problems in the suspension or steering system. It's also important to wet weather performance, providing a path for water to follow and to prevent the tire from hydroplaning. Back in the old days, we used to rely on cheap plastic tread depth gauges and pencil air pressure gauges. But today, there's specialty equipment that makes the job a lot easier, faster, and more accurate, like the Bartec Tech Pro 200. The tool will allow us to check tire wear patterns, tire pressure, and the TPMS sensor, all in just a few minutes. And it provides us with a detailed color printout we can share with the customer. Be sure to adjust the tire pressure when the tires are cold. That is, the tires have been driven less than 1 mile, or the vehicle has been allowed to sit for a minimum of 3 hours. And make sure you adjust them to the OEM specifications. You can find that information typically on the tire information placard, usually located on the driver's side B-pillar, or in the vehicle service information system of your choice. There's a lot riding on your tires or your customers' tires, and as a professional technician, you play a key role in helping your customers stay safe by performing routine tire inspections.